from here, and then we will do one loop of Hussain Sagar Lake, and we'll come back and meet at the Narasimha Rao statue. That is where we actually come back. So even if latecomers are there, they will actually join. So from there, we go towards Mehedipatnam. So that's the route. So we'll all be together. Do not go faster, or if you are slow, we'll all be around. So just stay with the group. That is the most important part. Safety is the most important thing. Overall, we have to complete the night very safely. That is the most important thing. Doesn't matter if we go fast or slow, but at last safety is very important. We have to care for each other. That is most important. So let's ride together as a group. That is what we need to keep in mind. We need to keep it so memorable, right? So in order to do that, let's keep it as a group. That is what is important. And we'll have...
Guys, please, one more entry.
We'll have dinner at
If somebody is not listening to the briefing, they'll stay back here. You should listen to the briefing for sure.
We'll have dinner at Shah House, and then from there we proceed towards Durgam Cheru. So that is where we'll take some photos and all, cable bridge and all. That's a more calm area. First of all, the expectation is that traffic will be there, right? Traffic will be there. So we'll have to ride carefully.
Extremely left.
In Mehedipatnam area, still more traffic will be there. So it is expected.
Yeah, we just came to a
Exactly. Yeah. So Ramzan, we have come to experience the Ramzan during night in Hyderabad. So traffic will be there. Do not get bogged down. But if you feel really any trouble, just let us know. Contact Ravi or myself, and we have a car also back up with the cycle track. But don't keep in your
and
mind.
Also one more thing, Shimsher, technical support is there.
Yeah,
Guys, with the puncture or any problem, he's there with us.
Yeah, he's our brother. So thank you.
थैंक यू। तो अभी हम एक पूरा राउंड लगा रहे हैं नेकलेस रोड का, एंड फिर उसके बाद हम मेहदीपट्टनम रोड साइड जाएंगे।
So mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you
हैप्पी हैदराबाद।
क्या मजा आ रहा है, क्या वीडियो बनता है इसके बाद।
Now we are heading towards Madhapur. Let's go. See, रमजान में कितना ब्यूटीफुल लगता है हैदराबाद। क्यों यश? रमजान में कुछ ज़्यादा ही ब्यूटीफुल लगता है हैदराबाद। या What are you missing?
They're shouting so much here, I don't know about what. And I'm also shouting. They're like chicken biryani, chicken fried rice.
You remember Ranku's voice? Keep left. Fast. पटना वाले रोड पे आ गए। नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स अवर डिनर स्टॉप शागोस। लेट्स सी। उधर से ले, उधर से ले। अरे स्टैचू के पास पहुंच गए हैं एंड टेक राइट।
अच्छा लेफ्ट,
राइट राइट।
लगी नहीं ना, 11:30 हो रहे हैं। जम रहा है। अरे कुछ साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं बस। Keep pedaling, keep pedaling, keep pedaling.